Incremental greetings, this is Incremental, also known as William Palace. You may have noticed in SuperMemo that there's no shortcut for highlighting. So let's say that I want to highlight this sentence. So I could do it with right click, reading, and highlight, but I have to rely on the mouse. Another option is you can do the commander. Highlight, font, and here it is. But it's kind of time consuming. There are so many different inputs to do. So for me, the best option is to use a hotkey script. So I have this script already. It's just that. I like to select text. That's the base, because you want all the bindings to only affect on SuperMemo Windows, not any other app in your computer. And I have everything in my website, so the link will be in the description, so it will be easier for you to copy and paste the code. So long story short is that you select this and Ctrl H and voila, that's all you need. I decided Ctrl H because H stands for highlight and it's not used for SuperMemo.